Austen here. So let's take a look at standard reports and how to include address information in the results. So for my example, I'm going to use a gift detail and summary, and we're going to use this one here. So we're going to edit it. Right now it's just looking for one record, but you can change this to include a query or all records in your database. And then we're going to go over to the Addresses tab. From here, you can choose to print addresses for individual or organizations within your database. You can include seasonal addresses, and you can even restrict it to a specific address type. And you can choose what to do if no address is found. So we're going to select to include addresses. And we're going to save this report. And now we're going to run it. And I'm going to run it as a CSV because it can be a little bit difficult to tell where the address is and what it looks like. So we can see down here my report is running. I'm going to open a new tab so I can see the result. It's going to come here shortly. It has to do a lot of calculations. Here we can see the CSV. We're opening it up. And here we can see the CSV for Roy Kent's Giving. Now, the address looks like it's cut off, but if you click into the actual field, we can see here that up at the top we have his full address. It has a carriage return that puts the city, state, and zip code onto a new row within that same cell. So when you pull this and it looks like the address is incomplete, it's actually there. It's just hidden a little bit.